Hi everyone. Have you ever been fascinated by animals or wondered how life evolved or how ecosystem function? Dreamed of exploring the secrets of natural world? Well, you're at the right place. Welcome to the Zoology Department at Dolphin PG Institute, where curiosity meets purpose. At Dolphin PJ Institute's Zoology Department, we are passionate about understanding the natural world. Our motto, inspiring minds through zoological sciences, drives us to excellence. Recognized by UGC and affiliated to HNB Garhwal Central University, Dolphin stands as a trusted name in life sciences education. Our programs are designed to give you both knowledge and a purpose, shaping you into professionals who contribute meaningfully to the world of zoology.
Why zoology? Because zoology is the science of life in its wildest, most fascinating form. From decoding animal behavior to conserving endangered species, it goes beyond book into the heart of nature. Here you don't just learn about animals, you study with them, for them, and often because of them. Here your passion becomes your profession and your curiosity becomes your calling.
From field to lab, from microscope to museum, we are trained to think critically, observe deeply, analyze thoroughly, and research passionately. The curriculum is designed to blend theory with practice. We don't just study science, we live it.
Our faculty members are experts in their field with qualifications, expertise, and research that yield. They guide, they mentor, and they inspire, helping you reach your full potential and acquire.
Our state-of-art laboratories are fully equipped for practical experiments featuring advanced microscopes, slides preparation units, microtome, electronic balance, spectrophotometer, centrifuge, distillation unit, water bath to support in-depth study and research. Witness life in motion inside our vibrant aquariums, where students study aquatic behavior, ecosystem dynamics, and fish anatomy up close. The departmental library serves as an academic sanctuary, stocked with the latest journal, dissertations, and geological encyclopedias. From meticulously preserved animal specimens to interactive learning modules, every corner of our department encourages exploration and curiosity.
Whether it's research, wildlife conservation, higher education, or teaching, our degree in zoology opens doors globally. With strong placement support and guidance, our gratitude step into the world ready to make a mark.
Why choose us? Because here, your curiosity is celebrated, your potential is unlocked, and your dreams are taken seriously.
At DIVNS, education isn't just about a degree. It's about discovering the purpose,
Exploring the wonders of life, and stepping into a future full of possibilities. The Zoology Department is more than a classroom. It's a group of learners, explorers, and future scientists.
So here, with expert mentorship, real-world exposure,
And a nurturing academic environment, this is where your scientific journey begins.